In this Valentine's edition, we're going to learn how to create sweet balloon designs, and watch until the end because I have a surprise for you. Valentine's Day, it's all about expressing love. And what better way to do that than with beautiful balloon animals? In this section, we'll go over the essential techniques. You will need 260 balloons in different colors and a 160 in red for one of the designs. Also, you will need a pump to inflate the balloons. You can use a manual pump, or I'm using here an electric pump. It's the Terence Pocket Pump, and sometimes I use the Smart Twist from Premium Conwin. You will also need some embellishments that you can find at the craft stores, some sticker eyes, so you can make the face, or you can use black permanent markers. That's another type of embellishments you can use. Of course, you will need some sort of cutter. You can use normal scissors or balloon cutter. It's time to learn how to twist a heart-shaped balloon. Hearts are the ultimate symbol of love and affection, and mastering this technique will impress everyone around you. Follow along as I guide you through the twists and turns, and soon enough, you'll have a cute heart balloon like this to share with someone special. We'll start with the balloon with 10 fingers uninflated, ideally in the color red. We'll twist and lock with the nozzle passing through, and we tie a knot. We'll find the center of the balloon, and as you can see, we find that at the center, and that's where we'll start making the shape. Using a basic distortion method, we're rubbing the balloon and we go back to the areas where we want more definition. And now we want to make those shapes a bit smoother, and the only thing left is to cut the excess once you're finished. Now that you've mastered the heart-shaped balloons, let's take it up a notch. In this section, you're going to explore different love-themed balloons. Let's get ready and let's impress your loved ones with this. You will need a balloon 260 in rose and another 260 in lilac. We'll take the balloon 260 in lilac and we're just going to puff inflate it. This is when you put air inside the balloon and tie the knots before the balloon actually expands. Let's put this one aside for a second. This balloon is inflated halfway. It's inflated about 6 hands and 3 fingers. We're going to make a bubble at 8-finger bubble. Another one the same. We twist and lock, passing the nozzle through. We're going to make 2 more bubbles, 4-finger bubbles, and we will twist them together. We're going to make the bubbles into loops. And we have the remaining inflated part, which is just exactly 2 small bubbles. We'll make each bubble into a pinch twist. Now with the remaining of the balloon that we don't need, we put that aside. We rearrange every part of the balloon. The big loops on the top, 1 pinch twist in each side, the next loops at the bottom. Make sure the folded part of the small ones gets hidden. We'll now take the puffed inflated lilac balloon. We get the excess where the nozzle is. We don't need that. And we find then the center, which is going to be passed through the balloon, leaving both sides the same size. And those are the antennas of the butterfly. Now you made a cute butterfly. Take 260 red balloon with 7 fingers and inflate it. Make a soft 4 hands bubble. Make it into a loop and pass the nozzle through to lock it. We'll make a flower base. We're going to be making 3 finger bubbles, making it into loops until we have 6. You will need to squish the balloon before each bubble to make sure they are soft. That's the same reason why we left the first bubble as a very soft bubble. We're going to be doing distortion like in the heart-shaped balloon. You may prefer to do only 5 bubbles if the balloon gets too tight. Now we're going to rearrange all the bubbles. Use now the distortion techniques we have learned on our previous heart balloon, rubbing around until you get the desired shape. Let's now make a teddy bear. We're going to need a round 5 inches in rows. We will tie a knot just where the nozzle is. We need the space. We squish it. Make sure the bubble that is on the nozzle part is a bit soft, but even softer on the round part, because that's going to be divided in 2. And now we make sure we roll the first bubble around them, and we inflate a wild berry 260, leaving about 7 fingers uninflated, and we'll tie them both together. We are making a 2 finger bubble into a pinch twist. We squish, go around the first bubble, squish again, and now we're going to do the face. 1 2 finger bubble, another 1 2 finger bubble, make it into a pinch twist. Make sure you twist a few times so they don't come undone on you. 4 finger bubbles, a 2 finger bubble that will go into pinch twist, and a 2 finger bubble connected to the opposite side. Now we're going to do the bubble back to where we started, and we push it on the back. That's the back of the teddy. Now let's make the arms and the legs. We will make 4 finger bubbles. We'll measure 2 on one side, connect to the head, and another 2 on the other side, and we will connect it to the bottom, to the pinch twist at the bottom. We don't need any more of this wild berry balloon, so we tie a knot just for safety, and then we hang. You've done so well. Look at this. It's almost looking like a bear. Now we're going to start adding the eyes. You could paint them, or you could add the sticker eyes. That's what I'm doing in this case. I'll leave a link on the description below if you want to see where I got them from. And let's do a little bit of artwork for the nose and the mouth. I feel there is a little extra cuteness when we draw a little heart on it instead of a round nose. Feel free to do round if you prefer, and half a smile. And there you have it, it's a teddy bear. You can add the embellishment now. And your cute teddy bear is ready. Creating the perfect balloon animal is only half the fun. How you present it matters too. So don't forget to add those extra little details to make it super special. As I promised, I have a surprise for you. For those of you that don't know how to paint on faces, or they don't feel confident, or maybe like me that it's kind of hassle to do it there and then when you're with kids around and every eye seems to be just different, so you want all of the consistency from that, all of the beautiness of having so many different colors, not having to worry about the design. And I have launched these lovely stickers, and my website has been just launched. At the moment I'm selling for UK, but I'm able to expand maybe in future. I have really cool ones. I love these ones for unicorns. And I mean, there are so many different designs. I'll put the link on the description below, and you'll be able to see what I have, how to get some for you, see what you think, and hopefully you're as excited as I am. And there you have it. You can create adorable balloon animals. Practice, have fun, and spread the love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow Twister friends. Happy Valentine's Day!